Do you want to be able to fix add friend not showing on Facebook? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know. And the first step is going to be for us to go into our Facebook app, and then of course also log into your Facebook account. And then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see, which is perfect. So if you're currently having problems with like adding friends right now on Facebook and you want to be able to fix this, well then there is actually a way to fix this, because I had this exact same problem myself. And the first step you're going to do is to click on menu in the bottom right corner. And as you can see, we should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. Now what you're going to do on this page is to just simply scroll down in here until you can see where it says help and support. So click on help and support. Now click on report a problem. Once again, click on report a problem. Click on include in report. And then as you can see, we should be taken here. And basically the reason why you need to be taken to this page right here, because the only ones that can actually help us to fix this issue is Facebook support themselves. And I did the exact same steps that I'm going to show to you right now. I contacted Facebook support and they were the ones that actually were able to help me with this. And now I'm just going to scroll down in here, keep scrolling down until you can see where it says profile. So click on profile, and now you're going to write exactly like this to their support. So you need to write exactly like this. I am missing the add friend option on my Facebook. I need this to be fixed. So write exactly like this now to them, because that is exactly what I wrote myself. I am missing the add friend option on my Facebook. I need this to be fixed. Now click on send in the top right corner. And now you might wonder, what do you have to do after this? And that is a great question. The reason like why you did this is because, of course, as I said before, you need to wait 24 to 48 hours for the support to be able to actually see this. And when they have actually seen this, then they will like basically fix this like issue for you, hopefully. So that is basically exactly how to fix this. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.